The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star for Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy J7 Star is the first one to have the Metro by T-Mobile branding. So that is pretty cool there. So before I get further into the video, I would like to give a big shout out to JT Tech Blog. He did an unboxing of the J7 Star from Metro, so check out his unboxing of the J7 Star from Metro and subscribe to JT Tech Blog if you have not done so. So check out his video, and yeah, let's check out the J7 Star. So it is available now as today, October 22nd. This phone was supposed to get released last Monday, but it got delayed for whatever reason. But the J7 Star is finally here at Metro, so this is pretty cool. The phone looks very nice. The specs on here are pretty decent for what it is. So this is the J7 Star right here. Obviously, it's the same phone as the J7 2018, of course. So it says here Samsung Galaxy J7 Star and the moment there. So quick specs on the J7 Star is 5.5 inch HD TFT display. It's not AMOLED, it's TFT. That is 720p resolution. It has 13 megapixel front and rear cameras, 32 gigabytes of ROM, and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So that's the phone right there. So you guys have a front-facing camera there, earpiece sensors, Samsung logo on your screen there, and you have touch and pass buttons for recents and back, and the physical home button there. It looks like it's available in like this bluish silverish color there. I think it's bluish color. It kind of looks blue to me though, but it does look, you know, it does look pretty nice there. So you guys have that there. It has a 16:9 screen there, so you keep that in mind. So let's take a tour of the J7 Star. So on the left side, you guys have a volume up and down button. Then you have your SIM tray there. On the bottom left, the battery is not removable. So swing around to the back here, you guys have a camera flash, Samsung logo, and whatnot. On the right side of the J7 Star, you guys have a power button and your speaker. So yeah. So the Galaxy J7 Star is available for $79 when you guys port into Metro PCS and get an unlimited data plan. That's if you port in your number to Metro. Yeah, guys can get this phone for $79, which isn't bad at all. The full retail price of the J7 Star is $239. That is a bit expensive for this phone, considering the specs, but it's a Samsung phone, and you'll be paying for the name, alright? So yeah, it says here, go bigger and bolder with the sleek new Galaxy J7 Star with a 13 megapixel camera that captures incredible photos in low light and 5.5 inch screen to keep you entertained all day. It's the Galaxy experience that fits your life. So the specs on this phone, like I said, it has a 5.5 inch HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a 16:9 screen ratio there. So keep that in mind. So it has your traditional screen ratios there. So bit disappointing, but it is what it is, guys. You know, not too bad there, man. It's still doable. You know what I'm saying? It has a 13 megapixel main camera with flash and 13 megapixel front-facing camera. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor. It is an Exynos chip. I'm not sure what the processor, I'm not sure the exact chipset of it is, but I know that it is Exynos in there. It has 32 gigabytes of internal memory, 2 gigabytes of RAM, expandable up to 400 gigabyte with a microSD card. User memory of the J7 Star is about 22.8 gig, so not too bad there. It has a 3,300 mAh battery. The battery is not removable, guys, so you keep it in mind. And you guys have to get a store, right? A Metro PCS store. So the full retail price of the J7 Star, like I said, is $239. In-store rebates when you switch is $160 off. So you'll get the same for $79 if you switch to Metro PCS and get an unlimited data plan. Alright, so not bad for $79 if you switch. Not bad, you know what I'm saying? And obviously y'all guys get a 30-day money back guarantee, free shipping, and a credit check, of course. So it says here 13 megapixel front and back cameras, capture incredible photos in low light, 5.5 inch HD TFT display to keep you entertained all day, 3,300 mAh battery, a long-lasting battery for all your daily tasks. So y'all guys should get pretty good battery life on this one, considering the resolution and stuff like that. So yeah, get incredible shots from front and back. Make the most of every moment with the Galaxy J7 Star's improved camera. Even in low light, take praiseworthy shots with the 13 megapixel precision on both front and back cameras. Plus you can add filters and stickers to photos for a personalized touch. Open Bixby Vision to get real-time translations or instantly shop for something you like. So it has Bixby Vision on there, so that is pretty cool there. And you guys will notice it says Metro PCS on the top left corner, so keep that in mind. So yeah, more space for what matters. Make the most of every moment with 32 GB of built-in storage. You can store photos, videos, apps, and games without having to decide what to keep. And if you ever need more, simply expand up to 400 GB with a micro SD card. Big, bold entertainment. Whether you are watching, browsing, or playing, stay entertained on a beautiful 5.5 inch HD screen that brings movies and games to life. With a long-lasting battery and a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor that's up for any task, you can keep watching and playing for hours on end. Exclusive Galaxy innovations. Get an incredible Galaxy experience with the latest smartphone features from Samsung. Step up to a beautiful, sleek design that's also comfortable to hold. When your hands are full, quickly access your phone with a glance thanks to secure facial recognition. So that is a win, guys. So the J7 Star has facial recognition. It does not have fingerprint, no fingerprint, but it does have facial recognition, alright? So the specs on this phone, like I said, it has 32 GB of internal storage. You get about 22.8 GB available to use. It has a 5.5 inch HD screen at 720p at 267 ppi. It has a 13 megapixel front and 13 megapixel rear camera with flash. They both record in 1080p video recording there. 400 GB of micro SD card expansion, mobile hotspot, of course, 27.65 hours of talk time, Android 8.0 Oreo with Samsung Experience 9.0. It has a 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos processor. The J7 Star weighs 6.38 ounces, so I'm a bit hefty there, but not too bad there because it has a big battery in it. And you guys can get great battery on this phone. So there it is, guys, the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star, now available at Metro by T-Mobile. This is the first phone to have the Metro by T-Mobile branding. But when you guys watch an unboxing of the J7 Star from Metro PCS, y'all guys will see a Metro PCS box. So don't freak out, because I think they might have done that before the rebranding of Metro. So keep in mind, when you guys watch an unboxing of the J7 Star from Metro, you guys will see a Metro PCS box. So don't freak out, it's still the same thing and all that. So just be prepared for that. So there it is, guys, Samsung Galaxy J7 Star, now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $79 if you port in. The full retail price is $239. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.